Hi everyone, this is my presentation English Level 2. This is me. I am Álvaro Moncada. I am system student. I live in Bogota city within my family. This is my family, my mother and my two sisters. I like swimming. I like going to the movies and talk with my friends. And link the recommendation. Experience of 3. Last vacation. I went to Caño Cristales. I stayed there 1 week and I went with my girlfriend. I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid $1,000 for 5 days. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, we went to the River of 5 Colors, where we saw several species of marine animals. Walks where you can observe nature, and I liked it a lot. I came back the last week of January. I go because I started working last Monday. But everything was wonderful and incredible. I'd advise you to visit it. The deal with people is warm. I hope you have the opportunity to know this beautiful. Recommendation. It's good idea that you swimming of river of the 5 colors. It is advisable that you do not near the edges. It's good idea that you accompany it in the cavalcades. It's recommended that you wear shorts. It is important that you bring camera. It is important that you take pictures of everything. It is necessary that you wear good footwear. It is necessary that you find a place to rest. What you should do. If planning to you go to Caño Cristales, you should doing the boat tour. Is very interesting. If you go into speedboat, you will feel the wind fresh and clean. What you should not do, you should do step on place where there are aquatic planes. Thank you. Bye.